Peace and love, everybody. Today I'm feeling like a fungi today. I got my shrooms on, this shroom fit. Okay. Shroom fit, okay. But today we finna show you how to absorb them waters. Absorb the crown, your cap, like a fungi. Ooh, you see that? Ooh, okay, so I'm finna show you how I do it, how I go about it, and how I go about my routine, and why you should go about this way as well. All right, when it comes to moisture, when it comes to dryness, and how to tell when your hair is dry and what to do and how to apply moisture, right? So very simple how I do it. I just take some water, right? Got a spray bottle, put water in it. You could also, if you want, infuse with essential oil, maybe peppermint or something. Sometimes I do that. Right here, this is mostly water. Then I'm gonna take my moisturizing component. I have this product called Nature's Blessing. I live by it. You feel me? I live by it, I breathe by it. This is it right here. It has it's basically like a pomade. It has all the great essentials in it. I'm gonna turn it around and then you can read that. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna take my hat off. This is how my locks look. So right now my hair is actually pretty dry right now and is in dire need of moisture, right? So here's what I'm gonna do, and this is how you tell if it's dry, right? Literally you feel it and it just feels like maybe touching paper, or it just feels like a brittleness. You feel like a, or even you also another component can be shedding as well. So you see your hair shedding, that's also a symptom of dryness, and this is what causes your locks, your freeform locks, or locks period, or hair period, to break off when it's dry. Like, yes, dry hair does break off, and you can feel the strands are just separating and literally breaking. So this is one of the main things you have to look out for. This is how people lose their locks. This is how you see them. You see little pieces of locks are starting to fall out and thin out. It's because of the dryness. So please, please moisturize if you want to keep your hair. So here we go. So I'm finna start off from the scalp and work my way down. So boom, watch this. Watch me work. Then lather it. Get it all up in there. You want to make sure that all your hair is coated. I'm starting with the scalp. Boom. This is water and just a drop of peppermint. I actually could smell some peppermint in here a little bit. But boom. Let me take my pomade, or you can do any essential oil. Boom. Maybe like a quarter size. It really depends on the length of your hair, how much you use. But at one point I was under moisturizing. You don't want to do that either. Do not under moisturize your hair either, because it's basically not really doing much. Especially, like I said, it depends on the length though. Because if you have short hair, it don't really take that much to moisture, right? And then boom. Oh my God, bro. It smells so pleasant. Also hit my edges. Boom. Bro, when I tell you, oh my God, I have to get a new job. Bro, like I'm telling you, I'm an enthusiast. Bro, like everybody I'm telling you, everybody gonna say, you gonna get all type of compliment. Everybody gonna be like, oh my God, it smells so good. What's that smell? I'm like, man, it's the nature's blessing. That's it. It's nature's blessing. Ooh. And then from there, once you work your way to the scalp, you just bring it down to the locks. Boom, bring it down to the locks. Bring it down to the locks. Bring it down to the locks. Boom. There we go. That's it. That's how you maintain your locks. Don't just get up, wake up, and just leave. Don't do that. You know what I mean? Like, I've definitely been there before, where I just get up and I just go. Don't even spray nothing. At least put some water, put something in your locks. I'm telling you, if you want it to maintain, you want it to remain thick and full, moisture is key, right? If you feel your hair, how to know when to moisturize, you feel it. It feels just dry. You feel separation. You feel just brittleness. That's how you know, right? And you see your hair is shedding. You see little follicles that are just shedding and falling down occasionally. Yeah, that's how you know. These are all the symptoms to look out for. This is how I moisturize my hair. It's super soft now. I'm gonna just let that sit, just like that. And yeah, Freeform Locs. I'm like, let's see. It's kind of hard to say where I'm at right now. I think I'm 4 years and I'm gonna just say like 4 years, 7 months maybe. Damn, shoot, I'm not even I lost track at this point. I'm gonna be honest, but I know I started in like late December 2020. See, I'm probably way off. But hey, like I'm just living in it, man. Like I'm not even really like keeping time. Like I'm just in the moment. I'm just in it right now. So yeah, I also have some new style ideas that I really want to try. I'm gonna hit up my loctician and see if it's possible, but if it is, I'll be sure to show y'all and whatnot. I thought it was really dope. I'm not gonna say it right now, but maybe next video it might be done. Who knows? I don't know. But that's it. Moisturizing Freeform Locs, why you should moisturize your locks and hair in general, and how to notice symptoms of dryness, right? So this has been Afuro Jungle. Thank you for watching. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment. I also go by Aquarian Dream or Kiki. And yeah, peace and love, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.